Left that alone. That cat me name brother and 9 life me have. You think me easy for dead? That now go happen. That will never happen. Some arm and I should have carried one armor.
So I have to stone, I can't use stone and pound them.
This stone and make a
problem.
Find one good stone, man.
When you come feet, 2 armor. One bag armor, you know?
So I'm going to pound them fast, huh?
Yeah, man. I'm the best thing to happen. Yes, right.
So when I boy armor, you used to use that stone.
You see if you know if you use the machete, chop them and draw them out. Chop them into it. The chop off part of it. You can't take out the armor. No kill it feed you.
I'll not too much at the one job to back.
Yeah.
Well, I'll chop that too. I'll drop like a 2 off again.
If you chop them good, you get your team. Yeah.
I like you still. What's all the best still?
Yeah, feet even one still. Look good.
Decent.
Nice pony in a pony so far and do even eat one arm and see the people. Nice arm and in a pot there, no? Yeah. And 2 dozen of them if you eat today.
I wonder the roast more like.
What's that, man?
And they're nice, you know?
And a burn like fire.
Yeah. You never eat them there, Sika.
We eat our man jobs.
What's that man nice, man?
What's that, man? The most nice choice.
Yeah, man. Oh, you want a cup?
You cut them in when they want the time, them cracks things. They like it one arm and
It's water or tasty water?
I go, let's see.
I make.
Beef not their town like this, you know?
Oh, they look scary.
No beef on their toll like this.
How many can I go there today? It's scary.
If you use this,
No?
If you use this, man.
Beach.
Yeah.
you come back beach to them.
They come about that.
I see him well feeling. So anytime you go about that thing, I go about.
Well, see, such man I enjoy that. That's trouble.
Young boy, them, I want tasty water, you know?
Such man I fuck up out there.
Yeah.
Yes, such man, because this not the over here place, you know.
That's how I China.
Where you say?
Nah, don't
This
see
better
how
oil,
you're
Sean.
going.
Another 4 room. This better oil, Sean.
And a canal this.
Oh, I'm going at this in Norton mode.
You don't go too far, no can shark, no they have to come for you.
With dolphin.
I'll let you can swim.
Dolphin there, man.
Me nah go there. You can't go there.
You know we can go.
Me go right, that's how we shot me know me can't manage.
Go and cancel. Wow, cut them.
Me nah go read.
Yeah.
Alright, brother.
You can't burn and grow here and cancel. Me nah go read. You can't go right to read, brother. You know? And walk on it. You see no float on it.
See what you see water.
You should have went out the shots. You should have went out the brief. So more on there.
I bought there. Yeah.
Oh, there's some more shot in there. You shouldn't have went out the shots. You should have went out the brief. Then you take off the brief, put it in dry and put on the shots.
You can try before you're ready, man.
Yeah. That's what you should have done, you know. You shouldn't wet up the shots.
No, this is the vagina, that's what I mean.
Yeah, that means you should just wet up the brief. Then you can take off the shots. Take off the wet brief and put on the shots.
You do the phone them down there?
Yeah, but that's all. But I'm so glad.
A chance we take with white plate.
Because you're supposed to have a green plate.
You have green
That
plate.
different, yeah. Understand that.
And every 6 months, you know, you
You have
register
to go
green
back and
plate.
set that.
And like how the regular plate where you just do every year. Green plate that every 6 months. So they make more money after that.
True.
So if you run a business and it now make no money, you can't go back to go renewing your plate.
True.
You understand? So when you see me do that now, chance me take with white plate, you know. Sometimes them draw down for me, you know. And
You see, if me are the
tell
leader,
them, say, yo, you know, say,
me not telling you, say,
I just
me not look
for
out
you,
for the
so,
rich man, you know.
yeah,
Me I look out for the rich
know,
man
say, I
just
like
to
me,
see
I
him, you understand me? But here I know,
Take you and a banana,
me will
and
try
get
make
two
a way
plant
for
of
the
tea,
poor
and,
man.
You know,
You
sometimes
understand
they
me?
drought all
Cause
through
at them people they have it hard, you know.
give them one hand.
So at them people
Yeah,
they
yeah,
have
yeah,
to
yeah.
try
Whole
and make
time
some
and
way.
piece
For
of
make
yam.
all of we can't get rich then,
Two
no?
finger banana.
You understand me?
Everybody rich, everything under good.
All of we not have to
Yeah,
rich,
that's
but we
all.
can
You know what I
move.
tell
Yeah,
you?
we can move. So the things are survive. Because with me rich, you know, you not fit have a problem where you go work and get money. Because you go work with me. You understand me? And I get a good salary. So if majority of we rich have money, we not alright.
You know, say, more time I check you.
The poor people have it hard in a everywhere. Because even in a spending, the poor people have to go this, have to pay extra.
When I say hard, you have things. Alright. A rich man, you say a rich man, he can't live for life, nothing for a day, you know.
Yeah.
A poor man life, you know.
Yeah.
If you change space with you, take you my life and me take people.
Yeah, but the poor man can't
You will
the
live
rich
better
man
in a film life, but him can't live in a European
No.
space, you know.
No, yeah. Nah, can't manage.
No,
Him can't
no.
live in a
When me
European
try to
space.
show you, you know, even the spending, like the food spending,
Yeah, we have
Right?
it hard. Poor people have it hard.
you know, say, you see, if the rich man, the price of the rich man pay for him flour,
Film food,
yeah,
film lunch,
yeah, you know, say we pay more than him.
film lunch, all $6,000, $7,000, $8,000, you know.
No, just listen. What me I say, you know, you're gonna get the fuck what me I talk about.
Yeah.
You ever hear about wholesale? So wholesale mean you buy things in a bulk. And when you buy things in a bulk, it becomes cheaper. That's how the rich man buy things in a bulk.
Yeah.
You see, we are going to buy one pound of flour, brother. A 2 bag of flour you pay for, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's true.
You pay for 2 bag of rice, you know, till you reach 1 bag of rice, you know, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So just get the fuck what me I talk about,
Spend
brother. The
more
poor
money,
people,
man, the
them,
rich man.
spend more money for things today, there,
Yeah.
because they can't afford it one
But you
time.
spend more when you buy pound.
Yes!
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
And like if you got a coat and you just want furniture,
You pay two
a 3
times.
time,
Yeah, you pay for it.
a 3 time you pay for.
3 card. You have to remember some stuff more time, you know, yeah?
3 time you pay for.
Remember
And
say,
you see the minute, you see the remember in give you 2 years to pay for. And the last month out of the 2 years, you can't find the premium to go pay for that last month there. And come back for it. You pay the majority of the money already, you know.
Me
And
like
1 month left.
Me will lie to you. Me will lie to you. For all that
What me say?
come to
A
me
1
me
month
have
left
1
you
month
pay
left
for.
and me
And
I
you
say,
can't
right.
pay it. That's the
Me
last
like
one.
that, man.
And you still want to compete, you know.
You don't have to like it, then we like it for you, man.
It's unfair.
No, me will do it, man. Then me not spend them. Me almost
You
done
must
pay
have
for
money,
this, you know,
me pay
brother.
2 times already for it.
Hey, this pay for till it gone over, you know, brother.
Yes, you
you
pay
know,
2
say if you
times.
buy at something up
You don't
a
trouble
quartz
them, man.
cash,
You know like
it's
you.
not a customers.
You know like you.
You're not customer.
No.
They not like
You
it.
know like you.
But I see him thing with overseas too, you know, brother.
You know like you.
You go in a store right now to buy something and them a try to make you know now, you know, when you come to spend your life money, you know. Say, look here, why you don't take out this thing here? You understand me?
Pay triple and
No, them I tell you, them rather
Yeah, man,
do
you
the
know
credit.
customer.
Them rather do credit
Yeah,
in
like
them
cash,
places.
man.
Them
Yeah,
know
good
why you
customer,
spend the money like that.
You're a good customer. Cause 3 times you have pay him for one
Okay.
something.
You know I'm a good customer.
You have to him you're a good customer.
Something me can't buy
Yeah.
nothing cash.
Yeah.
So when you
I
buy
wanna buy
cash, you
this.
know like
Him
you.
can't wait till you come in with this dollar, you know.
Yeah, man.
But and then now at the end of the day too, me not go criticize it. Me not go really criticize it either. Because at the end of the day, there is more time when this same thing, it can't really help you out as a poor people too.
Yeah, but get them
Because we
again.
can't find the money one
We
time,
buy
but
one
we will
time.
find a little.
That 3 years you pay for. I mash up, you know. Cause remember, yeah, I use this thing right through the year. You know, don't pay for it yet. But as you don't pay for it, now you say, yes, I you own it now. It start mash up, you know.
Or probably start mash up.
Yeah, that is start mash up.
Because I feel now,
Because you use it, no, but you use it during the period of time when you have it. So after 3 years, you know, it start eat your rate.
Alright.
Foot then start shape.
And you're just done.
And you just done.
I want thing me know. I want thing me know.
Third and something you get, man. I think second and
Alright.
third and
Because sometimes I think with them reimburse from other people, they'll sell you
pretty
back.
talk back.
Poor
That's
people
not a lie.
Spray him over
and
and pretty him up.
Sometimes I'll 10 times and sell that one something, you know.
It help a lot of poor people.
Yeah, help a lot, but we really pay a lot,
We pay a lot.
regardless.
I
Because
just say
we can't find
we
one,
spend more.
one time. Yeah,
We spend more.
we spend more, so you just look at
A
it.
rich man go in there and him
And
buy
one
the
time
fridge.
him just buy him thing,
Buy him fridge
and him
and
get
he
it
come out.
directly. Them all take off too.
Yes.
Because the money are coming one time, so they all
Yes.
take off.
And I'm
Something
and I'm
fine.
in there.
You?
But you, 3 times you have
I
to pay
tell
that.
people want something, brother.
That's not a lie.
Yeah,
3
man.
fridge you buy, you know.
Yeah, man.
3 fish, I buy, man.
You pay for 2 and get 1.
Sometimes some of my fans don't tell me the name and I can't remember, you know. But you know, just big up on yourself, see me, man.
That's
Who
right.
don't know. All fans who meet me already and who never.
Big up to the fans, them out there.
And a little old man, I said, you know, it's a poor crime. I said, touch him, you know, I said, daddy. So I have that belief there.
For no crime, if I whole heap of people that they are prison for it.
Poor no crime. I may explain to him why me say that.
But me would have lost long there.
Me tell him, say,
Prison law for.
yeah. Me tell him, say, let me tell you this, brother, you know why me say
Poor
poor?
and a crime, you know.
No. Me say when you're
To
poor,
be
you're
poor is
important.
a crime.
Right. Me say when you're
You
poor,
understand that?
you're important. You're important when you're poor. Because I use fresh air and clean water, you know.
Straight.
Poor people say fresh air and clean water, you know, brother. You know, I find a rich man go down and skunk down and shit yard, go clean up nothing down there, you know.
Up them big boss.
You see me?
Respect, man. Yeah.
Live healthy. And get clean water for drink and fresh air in my breed. Because we clean up place.
And you are the same person when treat like,
Like you know nobody.
Like dog shit.
alright, yeah, the same person.
You understand?
Same person when you bring water come here, one year my style when you bring all the water
Simple.
come.
So me that say
blood
we
clot, boy,
poor
man.
people are the scum for the earth.
I don't lie.
And we are the scum of the earth and we clean
Clean
the
the
earth.
air, you know, man, you. First thing, you know.
We clean
There
the
is
earth.
nothing sure, you know. There is nothing
So we
sure
import that.
like the people that have been
You
through,
understand?
Man, very much.
what you call it?
We import that
Hospitality.
very
Yeah.
much. They
People
can't
that
live
have been
without
through
it.
hospitality, yeah, them go through a lot. Stylings, and them, oh,
It's
who can
been
talk
couple
about?
well already, man.
Eh?
I never see when you eat them, man.
Nah, go make your head dry out.
You go and eat your man, brother.
It's a 5 year year.
You go and eat your man,
Them
brother.
said, and that my principle for you.
Go and eat your man.
Yeah, worship here.
Go and eat him, man.
Go and eat your man.
Raise here and dead for younger than a principle.
I try one of them, you have to broke my man.
You look like, you know.
You don't really can't manage it either, you know. Right now, in broke one of them, put in them out a weeks, you have been there trying to.
I want to tell you, put your finger in this blood clot, you know. You know, see what kind of teeth them in my mouth?
Very good
Put your in
spell.
my mouth and see what happens,
Who
principle.
will put that in your mouth?
Oh, so you that tell yourself so we can't bite nothing?
So that gone.
See, that sound good.
Yeah, man. Put him on. A finger.
So that gone.
Put your hand in my mouth,
So
Prince.
you feel like you want for me?
Yeah, man.
Come here, come here.
Something down my throat.
What
Come on.
you want for me?
Yeah, man.
What you want for me?
You told him about arguing.
Something down my throat I want come up, brother.
You want swap? But if I only way that you could have tell me if you do that. I'm talking down there. Ah! Hey,
Remember, Nuka come out back door.
look at come out there. Eh?
Yeah, come out back with no.
Look at come back out of you go like a guillotine in a few mouth.
It's alright.
A guillotine in a few mouth.
No can't come out back with.
And you have ball,
Lord,
point
no.
sense here and the whole of them look at something there. And such a strength here, you know.
Still them out. That's how
So you
it
must say,
when me never have been a good ivory. Now me have been good ivory, man. Me can't bite all of ya.
you say you in the mouth.
And say, I know can come out.
That me I
Look at
tell
come
you,
out
man.
of what?
Put on the mouth and see if I no come out.
Stuff
Straight
half
principle.
clean.
You left here without hand. I'm on one piece still not that
Why
time.
knock him out?
Brr.
Eh?
Whole money.
A poor people have yourself.
Yeah.
Man, milk no make ya.
Yeah, man. No.
But you can get it.
Yeah, no make ya. And look how much man there.
I use make
I don't have time for that. That not take that too long. I'll take you too long for break.
If you can't find a way to crack it.
You have machine will crack them.
Yeah.
Show them one.
No, there. That me tell you the system is slap.
Better snow with your man, your stone and pound till your finger them lick off a body.
You have the machine where you know put it underneath you and you squeeze it and it crack.
And crack it?
Yeah, man.
Call
them the country the
Why
first.
Jamaica no have nothing? Why you can't afford nothing for free we sell?
They call them the country the first world. And we are third world.
So why second?
Yo,
Where's second then? Where's second world?
That me I said
second
to.
world are like other
Second world
more
country. how
advanced country than even we.
Middle East.
I call Dubai and them place there.
So them a try to show you some man. To be a first or a second man, you have to have all them top class nuclear and
Yes,
them stuff.
yeah.
So hold on, we can't be first class for this natural green and fresh air.
Yeah, we are there.
Good, nice,
You have to
fresh
fight
water. You understand?
don't want
The
4
green
country, I want 20
field.
country.
You
Yes, sir, you have
understand
to
me?
fight feet, man.
So that couldn't be first class.
You have to fight feet.
You know,
Remember, say them
All
places,
them country they fight war already, you know.
them country there, you know. I build them up, you know.
Yeah, man. They only build. They rob other country.
And build up
And
concrete
build up for them.
city. Yeah, but look upon them nice green city, you know.
Like if we
They
fight
want
one
tell us that
war,
we
if we
can't
fight
be
one
first
war,
class.
I mean won the war.
I wish
I
that be
mean,
third
wow.
class, man. Nature
I mean
was.
dominate now, you know.
So
You understand? So we can capture what you got, you know.
know.
Build my place now, you
it's
know.
no country, you know.
What?
It's an island.
One little island, man.
That way them give it.
And where are you, man? Are
We
you,
could have be with one country, but them just give it one little.
One little island, yeah.
Yeah, that them give it.
We don't check out, you know. And say we don't have 3 million people here. Compare it to America, we have like 375 million. We just fit in at the 5. You know, we don't have nothing to do with the 370, you know, million, you know. We fit in at the 5.
Yeah.
And we don't have 5 billion people here.
And that's why we
So
can't
little
live
Jamaica here coming like
One little lands.
all clans.
I don't know why.
We have a country with,
only
country
that-
with
that
so
funny
much
map, man.
people.
One little that come up, man.
375 million people. And a little bit of people.
And I'm going to lick a bit of with there and then still I try to kill we out.
yeah, you need to listen to this. Good. I'll watch you now. Alright. Me personally know. I'm not going to ask you a question. Me personally know say he's a man. But hold your point in anything where you believe in. Right? And it make your name cap.
That's right.
Yeah, it make your name Bawdacat. Up to today.
Whole empire.
Yeah, hold him point. Alright. Now I'll show you the next thing now, bro. You see, if you be real and be a real person, you have to be a serious person. When no say, look here, you have hand middle and you have a hand black, right? So here one now, differently. You see hand middle you are dealing.
Hand black.
Yeah.
I wish by hand black there. Back. Yeah, hand back.
Yeah. So what may I say? You know say hand middle are the right way for things. If you do your thing, right? But then now this man come and tell us, say, yo, what you do? You know, see, you're a stupid man.
Use it back.
If you don't use one, so you don't do nothing. And you say, him say, tell you that, you know, but all along you are living, you know. You say, you're admitting, you know, the right way, you know. Right? So chew him forward and tell you this now. Say, yo, man, I run here someone, the best thing to use, man.
I mean, I easy to change.
Well, that me I try to show you. So me not talk about the changing still. Me I talk about people. We take talk from people. And now hold their own. Because are you in the system, you know?
True, you can tell him now, say, around here, so.
Yeah, him should, alright, and him know from birth, you know, say.
He look like a fool.
And him know from birth, say, yes, so I write him, and it keep him. It keep him, you know.
It come back to the same
Say now have a one mind thing, say now the mind of your own.
So what would I want for the first world for do?
When me I tell you, say,
After you take these bag of something.
you see how we all live good together. Like say we are brethren like this.
Yeah.
And we take, it take good living if we make a big brethren
Like this. Say do it.
Right. So me know you then word speaking as a good you.
Say do it.
Right. So me don't know nothing about you we bad.
Yeah.
Me don't know nothing we ever do me bad. So why me should not push to the test if you know how bad you is? That fuck would that cost me life.
Yes.
You know good.
You understand?
Yeah.
Me? And them
don't know
think
him as
enough
no
and we
bad.
know, definitely.
Me,
Because we
yeah,
are live good
I
as how
good
we
you.
know one another
Yeah,
already.
true.
But
So
at the
why me I
same
go
time,
pre now to say something bad?
something bad. So you try to get him on the other side where you never
That
see
is
yet.
it, that is it.
You see that you're going to drop down.
And probably, you know, our next
Probably,
thing
yeah,
to, you
You
know.
understand me?
Probably, you know.
Yeah. So
But-
I could
but
live
yeah,
so
what me
then
I
my
say?
brother since
Just
so
leave
good
it
for
at the
so
hand,
long.
just leave it at the hand, niggas.
Then it will say, and then the other thing to, you know, listen good, you know. More time the person have a other side to nothing, you know. But because you are pushed that way,
Definitely.
you make him have to make one.
You make a side now again.
You understand me?
Make side.
Yeah. I see him where the bad mind is him going, you know.
Yeah.
Because a man a bad mind you and you saying, you think I saw me I take this? Me I go bad mind too, you know.
Then fuck.
Yeah, man.
What?
You're
Your bad mind, your mind becomes better than fame. Because you have to beat him, you know.
That is a lie.
You
But
have
me-
to beat him.
Nah, put a bad mind on me,
And
no.
we are some man. You left
Oh.
that alone, brother.
Nah, put
Just
gun in
hold
me.
up my youth. In need for people start knowing now. Say, look here. A beer cat drink. Stop give the man rum or stop half of him rum, brother.
That is a lie.
And cat for know say when a man forward and say hold this, you and I eat you want, brother.
No.
So you for refuse from you understand what me I say now, brother? Yeah man, when you no want and when you no second for left you alone, brother. You understand me?
Me no want it.
You know how much I wanna go do something you no want to, brother?
Drink Hennessy, me
Eh?
drink beer.
And a joke me I tell you, brother.
Beer me drink.
Just say please, people.
This man come here with him big back line, you see, and 3 deer, and you see a bag of man running and them a drink it.
yeah.
You
Nobody
decide,
want
say, you
the
fi
red
taste
stripe
this now, or you fi...
chicken, yeah.
Brother, me no want you think me no trouble that.
That I want something me never taste.
Me no trouble that. I want you, man. Then I only pass
Just
somebody,
give me
man.
my red stripe.
And then
I
no.
want Heineken. I mean,
And my mate with them a drink syrup. Syrup. And he ain't gonna take fast, but he ain't gonna drink syrup.
Yeah, man. Such man you talk, man. Yeah, man. Yeah,
I tell him, say, me no want it.
yeah,
Yeah, man, he put chop
yeah,
off.
man. We chop you off, man. Come on.
We stick to the ear.
But you see this, you see the same reason.
White rum.
You see the same reason why we're the pan right now. The same reason why we're the pan right now, you know.
Me never taste NOC yet. Me never taste syrup yet. None of them
it's
expensive.
nice, man.
you hear people talk about. Me never taste it.
Drink all of them.
All right, you see the same reason why we're
But
the
then
pan
me drink
now.
on big back line
You
and
see
see
the
now
same
and
reason
big
why
back
we're the
trap
pan now.
boy.
This is just a short
Drinking
topic.
Hennessy.
You see the same reason why we're the pan now. You think a little people, me I tell them, my brother,
Yes, man.
pay for them thing, yeah?
Of course.
Eh? You think a little
Whole
people
lot
pay
of
for it,
people
brother?
Go out of the way.
Out of the way where they not go and them know, you know. Them know, you know. But because them gonna follow, brother. You understand me?
Come here, sir, and you say,
Spend my money and buy me liquor.
you can't drink 5 cups.
You can't drink one.
You can't drink one, but true, you want to prove to me. Say
Yeah, you got 5 and 6.
Then we're going to have to go carry you guys.
Hospital, you know.
No carry him there. No carry him there. No carry him there.
Why make we have to do ourselves then?
No.
No, because I see him thing. We
Why
not
me
have a
try
mind
to
of our
even
own,
with
brother.
you? Me not have even with you, you know.
We not have a mind of our own.
Not have a mind
And
of
this
our
is why we are talking about. Most of the people them don't have a mind of their own, brother.
That's why me rate what you say, cause brother, me go all over and people come with all kind of liquor. But remember, if I don't have no red stripe, me not go drink. And me not have a problem not drink. That's what me I say. Me not happy drink, them I want to drink. Cause me not drink so we are gonna tell me say no. Maybe I want taste lick me when me don't know about it. You know? So why you know me drink? Make me drink what me know about, man, and what me know about.
So you know, prove you one night, man, you know, see.
I never drink. I just stay so. Because I said, boy, I don't like how you're going, you know, man. You must can't take the sip. Say, no, sir.
You tell him, I tell you directly now where for do that now, you know.
Yeah,
You
both side,
know,
you
yeah,
know.
man.
Yeah, man,
Yeah,
me
man.
not do both
Follow
sides,
him,
man.
no? Follow him. Follow him now, you see what happen? You don't like, man, you know, tell me the man will take all me look at one out and my palm no one then or so. And I eat. But me no want to go over that.
No.
Me no want to go no weed or no
No.
craving
Stick
or
to your
something.
lead.
Definitely.
So me ask a man say, you can get See green palm out to me. Because we there one little party and,
Yes.
you know, we are full joy ourselves.
Man say, nah, man, it's a cream.
No, go.
Oh, here we go.
When come back with craving here.
Ah,
I'm scared no man.
I know you
How can I then go give one next brother and say, hold them
man,
here,
hold
brother?
this.
Yeah, man.
Because you probably have them here you use.
yes.
Me no want this. Me no want this. Who is you now if you go
Oh.
buy where you want buy, come give me. And me for use it. No, brother.
Now you can't buy Mataran, come give me, you know.
No. Now you don't need it. You don't need that.
When them bike here come gain and you take it, them feel like can't listen.
No, no disrespect, brother.
None of that me
It's
say no go
it's
buy.
a mine of your own and where you use, brother.
When me
And
say no
if
go buy,
enough
man.
people did say so, brother. There are a lot of people who no go through.
Me no
all
want
that
it.
stuff to them.
I have to take that, man.
Yeah, man, me I tell you, man.
Stick to your evil.
I'll find back money
I
too.
drink rum, you know, but you wear buckler rum, I drink him start.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
When
no,
I take
we
a
have to
stop,
carry more.
you see the left fall up.
Yeah, uncle, I go on in.
You know how to drink him?
Yeah, deal with.
Real meds, man. Real meds, brother, until people put their mind and say, yes, at this are my mind, and at this me second for, at this me use, at this me love.
Greetings, brother, man.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Old man.
Yeah, man.
You know, say, in everything you do, you have to have principle in everything.
It is a must. It is a must. No care how bad the thing is, brother.
You're not going to run correct, you know.
True. Truly. I decided for true, man.
Somebody say carry through the world. Everybody has to run wild.
Yeah, never try and fight down principle, you know.
Someone there at the crowd, he say, boy, go easy. Go easy. You need that now.
You know everything. Everything, brother. Yeah, man. If you're not a principle, when you put a simple example, you're not a principle when you put salt in your pot in your salty. Your salty pot, you know. Because you overdo it. Of course. I will. Yeah, most time when you think that, man, nobody not did it with a principle, man.
Principle
say well.
stop certain things from happening.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
Yeah, man. Cut it out, man. The way of the world still, but until people know themselves, they will never know it. Until people know. Yeah.
Sometimes you show a principle and some people vex, you know.
Eh? Yeah, but that is not it. But that is
Them
not it.
didn't want to do it, them want to
them
do
want
it.
to do it, them
But
want to
true,
do it.
you are the one who didn't know
I
to
know,
stop
sir,
it.
I know, sir, the world that we are living in right now.
Yeah, people try to write this with your car, you should have allow him to do that for him.
Right now.
At the same time, a negative mago there.
Of course.
You have a man right now.
True.
With cherish bad things.
Yeah. Every time. Every time.
Every time.
What me just say?
Yes.
Three
That
things
is
You want
cherish.
to know say anything will happen, something bad. If you come and you say normal, another way there to do.
Yeah.
You say yeah what?
As long as them true.
Style, man. If they're not ready, you know, I'm done with you, you know. Yeah, man. They're not ready.
I say, yeah, remember you know the right thing I show them, you know.
Nah, but I
Like one bridge, they tell me one time, Max Lee, you know, he say, yo, let me tell you this right now. She say, a group of you, right? And a two person walk up to them. And one man say, yo, you know, say, me have 9 subjects, and me have this, and me have that. Which one I want to compare with? None now part of them, you know. But you see the man who walk up and say, yo, you know, say, me have an AK, me have 5 gun round here, so me have this round here. See, when they move her, all of them back at the man who have the 5 gun.
Yeah, man.
None now go with the man who have the subject and then something.
True.
That's the world we are living in.
I will for sure.
Right now, if you say good, they say yeah, pussy.
I will, mate.
And when they say bad, they say, yeah, man, are the boss.
You have to hold
Man,
your
the general.
You have to hold your own still. You know,
You have to hold your own and don't say you right.
Alright, I'll show you a thing. One little thing I circling media right now. 3 girls sit down. I think it's an example I'm going to show you still. 3 girls sit down. Right? 1 girl, them sit down on a pool. Them have a drink. 3 nice drink, them have a drink. Glass and so. 1 girl move up to the pool. Leave her drinks on the table. Down in the pool. But at the end of the day, come like one look watch the did it. I watch the girl them, you know. I pre them. And I take time. You know what look a pervert, man? And a video. Them. Here the man did it on a video. The girl down in the pool. You know, 2 girls, you know. Me don't know they have this plan how long, you know. They have even the pies in them bag, you know. Yo, one get up now and watch the girl in the pool, and one put the pies in the girl glass. But if you look perfect, brother, did that video. And then boom and then pies the girl drinks and sit down back now and laugh and talk. The girl come back out of the pool now. Come back and hey and then skin teeth and a laugh and ding and something. May I tell you brother? And then guess what now? Girl goes a boom now and take up him glass. He got finish him drink now. Here comes the little pervert man run over. Boom and grab it and drinks around him. She know will flare up. And the pervert brother tell him say, no, just easy and listen with this. Listen this, what me I tell you. You see me? You see these girls? They just pour something in a drink. And the girl say, I don't believe you. Yeah, I don't believe you. You see one of the girl them much way poison? Boom, fire box for the brother. Say, give her her drinks. Give her her drinks and go away and ray. You see what I say? So brother, I forget wicked now. I say, sit down. I want me kill one now, no? You know? I want to
You drink this.
I say, yeah, one of them drink him. Say, no, she can't drink it. And she not drink from drinks. So I fear her drinks the other girl drink. So the man say, look here now. You girls are not easy. I'm past the phone now when they did their video. And give girlie. And see girl I put the poison in her drinks. And like the girl upon them and say, no, really? Really? I thought we are friends and you guys say you love me and stuff and stuff. You know where woman they say? You know where two girls they say, brother? The girl they say, then can't bear if you see the girl that go get married and she have a whole heap of money to spend. And then something there, brother. And that the girl they say no mad man. And I go kill the girl in my youth. Just see that thing, brother. Somebody just a show on the brother. Say, you see this world, brother?
Fake friend.
No, you see this world, brother?
Fake friend, we are rolling.
Something that go on for you and person just sit down there and say, yo.
Yo, we are planning to kill that pussy. You understand?
Go on for me.
Try to kill me now. Try blood clot kill me now.
You see what I try to show you, brother?
See how I go reach
some more time when some people take precaution in a life. Like with me now. Where I have my drink, and me I got a bathroom and carry in there. You understand me?
Yeah.
Me I prevent.
But like all we know you left your drink anywhere with woman.
No, you understand me? You
know
can
what
left
I mean,
it,
no.
Look now.
You're sitting there making no trust nothing, man.
No, you can make you not trust nothing, you know, sicker. But at the end of the day, it's not your friend, you know, where you left your drinks with too, you know. You can left your drinks with your friend, you know. But all because your friend appear something else attention, you know, you still not see what go on, you know.
True, that's not a lie.
Your friend not have to do you nothing, you know.
Can't smell it.
Remember man, man, a fake friend, you know, brother. So you not split a second, you know. Somebody else can influence him against you, you know.
Yeah.
Because you have the access to him. So you had it done, fake friend from a long time.
But even with what me I talk about by leaving liquor, if me leave me liquor
Nobody
with my
can
friend,
come near liquor.
there is nowhere. Somebody can go in there, me not see that.
No, obviously.
Yeah.
And I am Annie there.
Me not supposed to take my eye off of my
No,
liquor.
no.
It's alright.
And I'm Annie there, no. So we'll come put something in my hand.
Some more time, some people rather prevent something.
Anything to go in at this, you have in the organization. There's something going on this.
Yeah. Of course.
Alright.
So, me tell you, we all have to just pay
We just
attention.
need to clean up the
And
dirt
clean up
of them.
yeah, man.
That's
Yeah,
what we
man.
need to do.
Yeah, man.
Clean up the dirt
Yeah,
of
man,
them,
and we
brother.
only can talk, you know, because it's hard, you know, to some people, you know, man. Some people have some mind, you know, brother, way. No care your reason with them, you know, brother. Yo, we are some man.
I eat and drink with you and I wish
How
we
we
see
are
you
some
drop.
man? How we are some man?
What me get
How
from
we
that?
are some man?
What me I go get when you drop?
Me not, hey, man, me tell you this, you know. Me tell a man this, you know.
I remember you can't get me.
Me tell a man this, you know, me talk this every day, you know. Brother. Look here, you see me wrap up like saying, you know, brother. With anybody, you know. When you see me becomes a family with a person, you know, brother. And wrap up saying, you know. The one problem, you know, brother, you show me, you know, brother. Me change, you know. Me change completely, brother. The one problem you show me change and start ease up because guess what? It's not supposed to happen.
You not support that me talk about.
It's not supposed
Yeah,
to
it's not
happen.
supposed to happen. Then now we happen again.
Then how you mean? How you mean?
It will happen again, you know, God.
God, right now, I'm not lie to a man, brother. We just need to see if we can just pay some attention to ourselves and the people around me. When we